My first meal in Vietnam. I'm hungry.
Ăn đi. Quay.
We'll see.
Hello.
Hey. Oh, everything looks good.
Mấy hết luôn cho vô
Giờ mua về luôn. Dạ vâng. Giờ thành phố Hồ Chí Minh nhớ lại đồ nha.
Ở đây là bán mì quảng 6 giờ chiều đến 6 giờ sáng.
Understand? I don't understand. It's okay. Oh, thank you. Okay, everybody, let's figure out what I'm eating. What's the name of what am I eating?
Mì Quảng. Mì Quảng Phan Thiết.
And we are
Mì
in
Quảng Phan Thiết.
Phan Thiet.
Dạ.
Let's see how it tastes here.
Good, very good. Dạ.
Look at it. It's good. Everybody, it looks really good here. I'm starving. It's like 2 in the morning.
Chưa thích gì rồi. Em đi cho. Ok. Dạ.
No, that's not what I wanted
Yeah.
to do, but it'll
Yeah.
work, I guess. Okay.
Mì Quảng Phan Thiết. Ngon lắm các bạn ơi. Các bạn ghé tới Phan Thiết nhớ ăn mì Quảng nha.
Whatever you say. And you talk to people what inside.
Dạ. Mì Quảng vịt, mì Quảng heo, mì Quảng
Kale is pork.
dạ. Ngon lắm, rất là ngon. Em đi chơi 3 tô luôn á các bạn ơi.
She was hungry. She didn't want to go home and go to sleep
Dạ,
and then get up tomorrow and do it. So she wanted it today.
rất là ngon.
She wanted something before she went to bed. It's great though.
Thêm kia thêm ăn anh vịt.
A little spicy with some peanut.
Dạ.
It's great. Tastes good.
Thanh, xin tí đậu phụng nữa Thanh. Ăn đậu phụng nó ngon. Cho cái đồ vịt ở đây tí đậu phụng.
Chunk of pork.
Đậu phụng, có đồ vịt.
Really good. This is the only part that I know about that's open all night. It's been a lot of years since we've been down here.
Ai rồi phải.
You guys gotta come check it out. What is the name of the area in this is Phan Thiet, the city of Phan Thiet, but what is the name of the area?
Chợ Phan Thiết. Chợ Phan Thiết. Chợ Phan Thiết. Chợ meat market Phan Thiết.
Oh, the meat market. We're at the meat market.
Yeah.
This is the meat market in Phan Thiet. But they open all night, or most of the night. There's the little restaurants and stuff into it. It's really good.
Mà người ta vẫn bán.
Sáng để đây xe luôn. Đi 7 chỗ đậu nè.
Dạ. Thức ăn mà.
So you just gotta dig in with your hands.
Okay.
No.
Thank you.
So she wanted extra pork and peanuts,
Yeah, peanut
but she stole all the noodles out of my bowl.
one leg dirt.
Oh, and duck,
Dirt. One leg.
a duck leg. Just gotta dig in and work on it.
Pork. Này bác cái ngày từ cái đêm thôi.
Đừng lúc sáng rồi.
And Vinh, Vinh, Vinh,
Hả?
name, his name,
Vinh.
Vinh,
Vinh.
Vinh.
Yeah.
Okay, he's the driver, and so we're gonna try to get a card or something other. Maybe give y'all a phone number. He's the one that picks us up most of the time, and brings us from the airport to Thiet. You know, it's a few hours drive, but he's been doing it for us for several years now. So we'll try to add his phone number in here somewhere. And whatever I'm doing wrong, you guys feel free to add something in the comments so I can, you know, learn and try to make these things interesting for you guys.
Cái gì? Hả?
Some people like lemon, some people like vegetables added to it, or a little bit of lime, a little pepper. It all tasted good to me, just the way it was. We're gonna come back when my wife's not so embarrassed to be on camera. I got to get used to it. She's got to get used to it. We got to remember that we're talking to you and not talking to our kids.
Không ăn hết đi. Làm luôn.
I'm gonna have to steal some of the noodles from her bowl because she stole them from me. Isn't it? It's really good, guys.
Very good.
At any rate, she's scared for me to put it back on camera. So we're gonna probably head to the house and get some sleep. But we're here. We made it. This is our first meal in Thiet in Vietnam. And we'll see y'all in another.